You cannot just always do a lot all the time. Nako! Kasi ko na imong buto.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning everything. Good morning po guys. 10:01 na ng umaga. Pero, ang gagawin ko, nakita nyo naman, suot-suot natin ito. So, magkakat ako ng grass doong dapita. So, sa gilid at sa harap. Sa gilid ng isang kapitbahay kasi tinapos ko na dito last week. So, sa gilid tayo at sa kaharap kasi kailangan ng ikat. And then, I know, sobrang init sa labas, pero go lang tayo. So, ngayon is Monday, pauwi si Mister. So, tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko, uwi ka na. Sabi niya, wag kang mag-cut ng grass kasi ako yung mag-cut. Sabi niya, sabi ko, ayaw kong ikaw yung mag-cut kasi ako yung nai-stress. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako yung nai-stress, kaya ako na lang mag-cut habang wala ka dito. At kung gusto mo mag-cut doon sa pinaka-back na talaga, na property namin, go ahead, pero ako yung mag-cut sa harap at sa kahit nakakapagod, pero worth it naman after. Alam ko yan kasi pabalik-balik na tayo ng 4 na taon. 4 na taon na akong nagkakat ng grass ng yard. Dito yung yawi, andon yung may ano ba ako dito. Teka muna guys ha. And then kailangan ko pang tapusin din yung pinipaint ko, diba? Ayan siya. Tapusin yan mamaya ng hapon. Kasi yung andito na si Tami. Walang kasi first Monday tayo. So, yung mga kapitbahay wala. Pero parang ito ata andun sila eh. Wala akong pakialam kung maingay. Monday naman at saka 10 o'clock. Aray. Pero kapag weekend and then maaga, parang mahihiya ako. Pero hindi man siya illegal. Pero nahihiya ako. Kasi, di ba, yan sila, nasa bahay.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
I think yung pinaka-best magtubig ng plant is hapon. Kasi kapag tubigan mo siya ng umaga pala, parang nasusunog yung dahon dahil sa reflection ng basa ng tubig. So, I guess hapon na tayo Tapos na ako guys. Gustong lumabas. Okay, labas. Init kayo. Pati inita. Init judi eh. Basang-basa yung ko, suot ko kanina. Sobrang basa. And inopen ko yung window na naman sa maliit na bahay namin sa shed para labas-pasok yung hangin. Sana uulan para masaya yung grass ba. Kasi kapag ganitong oras talaga mag-cut, may tendency na mamatay yung grass. Kasi katulad yun, kinakat mo sila, nagbi-bleed. Sobra pang init na sila, napa-fry sa init. Wala akong choice kasi ayaw kong mag-cut ng hapon. Kasi kapag mag-cut kasi ako ng hapon, ayaw kong mag-cut ng hapon kasi maraming tao sa kapitbahay. Doon sila, ang dami nila. Paminsan may mga bisita. Dito naman, magsiswimming, galing trabaho. Ganon. So, ayaw ko ng ano, parang disturbo ako ba? Parang nakaka-disturbo ako sa ano, sa time nila. Kasi ang ingay ng machine. Pero paminsan hapon, kapag walang choice, kapag uulan, the next day. And ayaw ko nang magtubig pala ng umaga, dapat hapon. Sobrang hapon yung mga 8 o'clock. Kasi hindi pa madilim dito kapag 8 o'clock. You want dry food? Come, let's go get some dry food. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just come on, come on. This is my fat little kitten. My fat kitten. And the other one is still sleeping. You're sleepyhead. Bili tayo ng gulay kasi darating yung asawa natin at kailangan nating magluto. Mamaya, nag-defrost ako ng uulamin namin. So, marami naman kaming mga frozen. Nag-wash ako ng mukha kanina. So, kaya nag-dry. So, lagyan natin konti. At saka, pimples ito or may kumagat. Hindi ko alam talaga. Yan, naligo ako kahapon ng hapon, 'di ba? Naligo ako kahapon. So ngayon maghapbat lang ako mamaya bago matulog kasi nagkatay ng grass. So yun lang. Okay guys, so let's go. Mabilis ang lakad lang, gulay at bulaklak. Finally, kaya nga may plano kasing umalis kaya nagkat ng grass ng maaga. So ito yung ano, problema. Nakatingin lang Nakatingin ang baby. So ako, sabi pa ni Tami, nag-defrost ako ng steak, 'di ba? Pero sabi ni Tami, ibalik mo 'yan kasi nung Friday bumili pala siya ng chicken. So sabi pa niya, sabi ko, sige. Hello guys. Tapos na tayo dito. Ang nabili ko lang naman is bumili na naman ako ng halaman guys. Mas gumastos pa talaga ako sa halaman. Pero konti lang. Yung lalaki ba nakatingin sa akin na para akong may something. Anyway. So let's go take mga bahog tek-tek. Shocking, nahuhulog talaga kayo guys. Hindi ko na kayo doon ilagay, sobrang traffic. Ay oh, daming sasakyan. Oh laka, daming sasakyan. Okay, nakabili naman tayo ng halaman guys. Sila na din sayang. Ito siya firm. Ilagay ko to sa loob ng bahay. Ito din doon sa ano ko, hindi ko natapos. And bumili ako ng extra na cucumber kasi wala akong. At saka ito, ang ganda nito pala. Oh. Papunta na si Tami dito. Hala. Malapit na daw siya, sabi niya. So, pabayaan lang natin siya. Si Inday Garutay, hindi pa rin siya tapos eh. Kanina pa yan. Yung nabili ko pala guys is ang gulay is string beans and zucchini and cucumber. So, yun lang yung nabili ko. Ang ganda kapag maglinis Inday Garutay. Yung maaliwalas yung sahig. Makikita mo talagang malinis. You wanna go out or wait for Dada here? Tell me. You wanna wait? Do you wanna go out with Dada or wait over here? It's very hot out there. It's very hot. It's so hot. Doon sila katingin. Do you wanna wait here for Dada? Or you wanna go outside for Dada? Hindi kinaya ng power yung init. Sobra. Tagal ni Tami. We are so happy. And Mama is happy to see my guapito baby. What brother?
Before he starts whining.
Oh, I thought that you got another pets. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hi, guapo. Hi, guapito. And binilhan ako ni Tami ng chocolate mix, chocolate shake. Alam ko talagang nag-stop siya doon. Kasi alam ko talaga, sa init ngayong panahon, alam kong nag-stop siya. Kaya bawal mag-diet. Diet natin, bawal pa rin. So, okay naman yung katawan natin. Thank you, honey. So sweet. Drink your thing. Okay. I love you.
Share.
Alahan. You will die with this. You look for dimples.
No, I don't see nipples. Oh, Rox, knock it off.
Roxy, no.
Grabs her paw with your paw. That's gotta hurt. Yeah, my little man paw. My little man.
Oh, Inday Garutay doesn't know where to go home. That's so weird. He used to know where to come home. What happened to her? She doesn't know where to go out? I think she's stuck here.
Resuming the cleanup.
I-block natin siya para dire-diretso na siya doon sa labas. And then, I will close this door. There you go. Bago tayo mag-paint, i-transfer ko muna sila kasi parang ano dito, parang impyerno. Grabe. Grabe yung init, han. The heat is crazy. Oh my God, grabe yung init. Kunin ko lang yung ano. I think ito, hindi na ito makasurvive. Ay, namatay talaga siya sa ginaw, guys. Yung nilabas ko siya. So, ito, i-transfer ko to dito. Teka muna, ha. Hanap tayo ng anik. So, sana talaga mabuhay ito. Ay, na-shock talaga siya, guys. Hindi talaga siya masaya. Hindi talaga siya masaya sa ano, sa ginaw. They're done. My husband he want to cook some. What are you cooking, love?
Little pasta to go with the chicken.
Pasta with the chicken. You don't want my fish and rice?
No.
Why?
Pasta with the chicken. So you're out early.
So guys, habang nagluluto si Mister, gumagawa siya ng tomato sauce. So for his pasta. So yon. And habang nagluluto siya, ako naman, magpunta lang ako sa labas para magpipaint. I-continue ko lang yung yung pinipintahan ko kahapon. The chicken, you have to put only in the mic. Do you put it in the dish, honey, or in that container? Huh? In the dish? And okay, can I continue outside?
Go.
Huh?
Go.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my God, he's the cutest man on earth. You know, it's Hi guys, hindi pa ako tapos na akong nagpi-paint pero meron pa akong meron pa akong i-plant. Well, actually, mamaya na kasi sobrang init. Ang oras ngayon is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock ng gabi, pero 7 o'clock ng hapon dito. Mamaya pa itong mag-dark, mga 9, almost 9. So, yun siya lang. Andun si Tamimoy. Yun na siya, guys. Diyan yung mga sapatos ni Tami para gamitin niya sa labas. Pero yun na siya. Tapos ko na siyang napinta. And yun. Hindi man siya perfect kasi yun, mahirap dito ipinta sa loob. Pero fights na yun. Yung style kasi ng paint na ito is hindi talaga yung regular paint. Ano siya? Chalk. Chalk na paint. Yung parang nagla-line ka lang ng chalk. Yun, yung texture niya para siyang chalk. You know, para kang yung chalk sa blackboard. So, tapos na, nilagay ko lang dyan yung plant. And chia push.
Come on, look how nice these are.
Yes, look nice. I need the fish before that go bad, huh? How many minutes? 15?
Right.
It says 15, right?
Yeah.
So, can we do that later? Or can we do it now? It's better to have that extra.
Hold on. Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine, huh? I'm going to boil the fish. Oh, that's the fish. Fish the fish, honey. Fish the honey. Fish the fish.
I only do one glass pasta. Got it? It should just do it.
One. You cannot just always do a lot all the time. Look ko. Kasi ko na yung buto.
See, I always use the cans. I won't make that dirty.
What dirty? You're so dirty.
I use this to hold the spoons. I won't make the spoon holder.
I have to go out and water the plant. You should know by now. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Did you lower this before it boiled? Is that what you did?
Yeah.
I thought you lowered it when it boiled, so it would boil right away when I turned it up. You cheated and you lowered it when it wasn't boiled.
Yes.
So now I gotta wait for it. Yeah.
I love you.
So
I miss you.
if I'd known that, I would turn it up half earlier.
You're so handsome.
Yeah, I'm not.
The pajama is for winter, honey. So, 10 minutes this pasta, okay? Cooking 10 minutes. Oh my god. To put that in the thing. Oh, yeah. When it's hot. When it's not hot, it's not good. I think this is done.
It's not boiling yet.
Huh?
Hun? I want it to be boiling. No. I'm watching. I'm on it. Don't worry about it.
So, ito na yung food ni Mister. Ito yung chicken niya, guys. Alam nyo, he put cheese on top to make it like a chicken parm. And his sauce is done. The pasta is done. Tapos na akong nagtubig. Asan yung cellphone? Hindi ko makita. Ito na yung mga halaman. Oh. Look. Ito siya. Oh. I can't find my phone. Ito, oh, maganda pala to. Look. What happened to me? I'm losing my phone. Init dito, grabe. I can't find it. Let me see here in the office. It's not here. I still have to edit, make a thumbnail. Anyway, katatapos ko lang pala
Check the front.
The front, I've been there, but I don't bring my phone.
How do you know?
Because I just water the plant, that's all.
I so you would have heard it ring. So it's not ringing outside. It's ringing here.
It's right here. In the bedroom.
That's why I didn't hear it ring.
Ha? Anyway guys, i-end natin itong vlog and yun. Hindi ko na kayo dinala sa labas kasi matagal akong nagtubig. I-ano ng oras ngayon? Almost 9 o'clock. So, kakadilim lang na sa labas. Ngayon pa lang dumidilim. So kaya yun. Natagalan ako kasi sobrang init for days na. Walang ulan, sobrang init, 90 plus degree. So, ang ginawa ko is, tinubigin ko lahat ng mga nasa harap ng bahay, kahit yung mga old na dapat hindi tubigan, tinubigin ko para maging masaya din sila. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Sana kita-kita tayo bukas guys. Thank you!
At Safe Flight, we have service the way you need it. When you have a cracked windshield, schedule Safe Flight's drop and go service. Just drop and go, enjoy your day. We'll text you updates along the way. Or you can check the status anytime. And we'll let you know when your car's ready to pick up. That's service on your time. Schedule drop and go at safelight.com. Safe Flight Repair.
I'm spying you with your son.
Dimple,